Interested in a 2011 Audi A3?
You could be in the driver's seat of this impressive vehicle with an efficient 4-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission.
Low emissions and the good fuel economy offered in this vehicle are important to you and to the environment.
Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: climate control, central locking, a CD player, side airbag, stability control, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, power windows, ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags.
Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. This car has separate passenger temperature controls. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Rest assured, safety elements are included to provide you with a secure ride.
Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.